Welcome to the video.
What is that one?
I don't know how much dollars.
Dollars. In Philippines, dahil
779. 779.00.
yeah.
Is this cheap?
You don't need that.
Yeah.
You're not a baby anymore.
I'm not the beast. Even though I'm not. It's broken. It's broken.
What are you doing?
I'm singing. I know this is too big, but it's not a grandpa or something.
See? What is it? What the smile for? Oh. What is it?
Wait.
Where are you laughing for? You already found it? Hmm?
Guess which one I will buy.
Ew. You're not a baby anymore.
I know, but I just want it.
You want it?
I want it so
You
bad.
want it for nothing.
There's so much baby toys. There's not like adult toys.
You go there.
Like where? Why? Someone picked this, but they didn't want
Because
it.
I said. Okay, go move.